Guys, Will H back with another video. So I got a big box here from Google. I want to send a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. Hashtag Team Pixel. So they sent out a bunch of accessories here. And here's a card that was included with the packaging. It says, "Hi Techie. Let's face it, the journey of becoming a content creator can be an expensive one. Costs add up quickly between editing software, proper lighting, quality microphones, and the like. We wanted to help you, so we put together an equipment kit to ensure that your studio has everything it needs. Cheers from your friends at Google." Big shout out. That's very nice of them. So inside of the kit, we're going to get a wireless microphone, a mini tripod, a teleprompter. Whoa! You get a key light and an exclusive guide for creating content. This is dope. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the packaging. Now, I'll do a individual unboxing of this stuff and detailed review of it later. But inside of here, you're going to have the DJI microphone kit here. This is a wireless microphone kit. And like I said, I will do a unboxing of this stuff individually later. Also going to get the Manispod Pro all-around vlogging tripod right there. Very nice for cameras, and I would assume cell phones as well. That is very nice. That's dope. Big shout out to Google. And then a teleprompter is something that I always wanted to get. So this definitely should help out my content a lot. This is by Best View smartphone, tablet, DSLR teleprompter. T3. And here it is. And like I said, I will unbox all of this stuff later. And then the last thing in the box, well, there's a few more things. Let me clear this box out. Hey, great job, Google. This is dope. I can always use extra light and extra help with the channel. So this is going to be a big light in here. And I don't know if I can get all this in frame. So you get a key light here. So hopefully you guys can see that. Illuminate on command. You got Wi-Fi enabled, 1400 lumens, which is great. Full spectrum, space saving, and freestanding. So this is going to be dope. So you guys see the picture of it there. And I said it a bunch of times now, individual unboxings of this stuff. So here it is. This is going to be dope. Adding to my lighting, which I know I need some help with. So what else is in the box? It looks like it, guys. I don't see anything else in here, but big shout out to Google for sending this stuff over. It will definitely be put to use, and I'm very gratified and grateful for these gifts. All right, guys, Will H, and I'm out.